everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's now 3 days since the last video, or 2 days, I'm not even sure. I'm still painting the wheels, 3 of them are done, and this is the last one right here. I mean, it's going pretty good, as you can see. This one's really nice and crisp. It's all the pearl. It's gonna look so good on the car. Can't wait to fit them. Might even do it today, honestly. If they will be dry enough to put on the car. I do have will to do that, so might even try to do that today. So yeah, let's go to paint the last one, and yeah, I'll do a little bit of a montage of me prepping and sanding and painting the wheel. Ooh. Pretty happy with the tires on. So yeah, cue montage. So we're gonna start with 220 grit sandpaper. So I've just sanded everything down, not to bare metal of course, because that would be so much more work, because the results you get with just fine sanding it to just damage the paint a little bit, it's gonna be just fine, because I'm going to put on primer as well. Now I'm gonna put the wheel onto the sun, so I'll let it dry, because there's some wet spots right there where primer could actually start dripping down the wheel, and that would not be good. So for being quick sake, I'm not taking off the actual tires, and I'm just gonna put some tape around so the tires don't get painted. And yeah, I'll see you at the primer part. Okay, so now that I have masked around the tire, we can start actually primering, because otherwise it gets on the tire and it's hard to remove without the right chemicals. So yeah, there's the other 3 wheels that are done. Here they are, beauties. Okay, so I think my battery is dying, so I'll catch up with you on a quick note. So the wheel is now in primer, and we have to let it sit so it can dry, and then we just have to paint over it, and this will be the result. This one I've just put some clear coat, so it adds some extra shine to the actual wheel itself. It's a really nice finish. I'm really happy with the product, and yeah, that's about it. So next step is actually putting the wheels on the car, but when the inspection comes I'll have to get these on again. But just for the time being, I really want to see how they will look on the car. I mean, if the battery doesn't run out, I might include the clip, me putting them on and actually seeing them on the car. But if it does, I'll just record the clip afterwards and you'll see it. So for now, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Goodbye.